everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to use your Google domains name with your Shopify store? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to connect your domain step by step so your store looks professional and is ready to launch. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to settings, click on domains. Click connect existing domain. Type your Google domain like mystore.com. Click next. Shopify will now show two DNS records. You need to add a record 23.227.38.65 CNAME record www.shops.myshopify.com. Now let's go to Google domains and update the DNS settings. Search for domains.google.com. Click on your domain. In the left sidebar, select DNS, scroll to Customs Resource Records. Here's where you will enter the a record and CNAME that Shopify gave you. Under Custom Records, add an a record name for type a TTL leave default data to 3.227.38.65, then click save. Add a CNAME record like name www type CNAME TTL leave default data shops.myshopify.com, your URL and Shopify URL domain, then click save. If you already have existing A or CNAME records, replace them with this. Go back to Shopify domain settings, click verify connection. Shopify will check the DNS setup. This can take a few minutes to a few hours. Once verified, your domain will be connected. Shopify also activates SSL automatically, so your site will be secure. In Shopify domains, click set as primary. This ensures all visitors see your custom domain, not your shop.myshopify.com. And now your store is fully branded and ready to go. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully update. Make sure to renew your Google domain each year. Use Shopify's redirection tools to avoid broken links. That's how you connect a Google domain to Shopify. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you are building next. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.